Assalamualaikum fam, welcome back to our channel. If you're a true pizza enthusiast but don't have an oven, no worries. Today we are making a pan pizza with the perfect dough, no oven needed. So grab your aprons and let's get started. To make our dough, start with warm water. Make sure it's not too hot, just warm. Add a teaspoon of instant dry yeast and sugar. Mixing well until the sugar dissolves. If you're using an active dry yeast, let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes until you see a foamy top. But with instant yeast, we can skip this wait. Now add all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt and olive oil. Use a spoon to mix it until crumbly. Then start working it with your hands. If needed, add a little more warm water, aiming for a soft dough. Once it comes together, dust your counter and knead the dough. Stretch and fold it until it's smooth. Grease a bowl and the dough. Cover with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm spot for about an hour or until it doubles in size. If you want to save a dough for later, place it in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. Here's a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and click on the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Dough has doubled in size, punch it down to release the air. Dust your counter, grease your fingers and press the dough to flatten it. Grease your pan. Fold the dough, place it inside and press it to set. Use a fork to prick the center. Then spread pizza sauce. Mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and your favorite toppings. I'm adding pepperoni and some capsicum. Grease the edges with olive oil and sprinkle dry oregano. Now let's head to the stove. I preheated a griddle for about 5 minutes on a medium to low heat. Place the pan on the griddle, cover it and bake for around 30 minutes. Time's up, let's check. Yes, it's perfectly cooked and my kitchen smells amazing. It's time for a taste test. Slice a piece. It's crispy on the outside and soft inside. Absolutely mouth-watering and just how I love it. Delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. We'd love to hear your feedback, so drop a comment below. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.